guys, welcome back to another episode. Just shot down the mountain and just gonna take the boat out for a spin. Haven't taken it out in a good while. Few new modifications to the boat. As you can see, there's a wave breaker put on, full stainless steel trailer. Dad's been really helpful and done most of that work while I've been up in Canberra. But yeah, the plan is today we're just gonna duck out for a little bit of a late arvo sesh. Gonna try shoot a couple fish, grab a couple of abs, and maybe a lobster if we're lucky. But yeah, it's not going to be a crazy dive or anything today. It's just sort of a spare of the moment. Weather's pretty bad, but hopefully find somewhere out of the southerly lee and get in, have a bit of a dive. I haven't dived in a couple of months now, but I'm super keen to get in the water. There's going to be a few weekends coming up where I'm going to actually be able to get in the water a little bit more. Hopefully head up to Wollongong if the weather permits and jump in for a dive up there. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting in, just for a kick around and just to get wet and just jump in the water. But yeah, super keen. It'll be a nice time out with the family. Alright, we just got back in for a dive. Conditions weren't the greatest, but we managed to mission up against the wind and then come back in the trailing wind. So we ended up making good use of the conditions, I suppose. Yeah. So got a few nice fish here. Hamish was good enough to get this one. Put a nice shot in.
About 70 centimetres.
A nice trevally, a couple of ludric, a nice mowie, and a good sized brim. So there's a bit of fish there. We're gonna do a little bit of a cook up when we get back. We're just deliberating right now which ones to fillet and which ones we're gonna steam whole. So basically, yeah, we're just gonna get stuck into this and we'll see you maybe at home. Cool. Cheers.